backdoor breaking ball gets Borges for the third out. 5 complete. The Angels still up.
Dave.
May he get it right here. The 1-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. And Kyle Bird does ring up his first career.
Down on strikes.
Got him. 2 down.
Found back to the glove of Mathis, who holds on.
You know, sometimes even the other teams are trading your highest paid players. There's a swing and a miss, and believe it or not, Yordan Alvarez has been retired. 2 out.
Cocaine. You know, the Christian Yelich trade was obviously huge, but some teams are able to.
Challenges for him was to throw scouts off the scent of any days he might be pitching, because he didn't want to be drafted as a pitcher. He didn't.
Bay is like that. What's the kid's name that pitched against us the 5 innings the other day and also hits?
Yeah.
Kevin might be a little bit heavier, but they both have a lot of power and very similar swings.
Crone strikes out. Yeah, well, their dad is a AAA manager.